10 extreme industrial machines. Since the Industrial Revolution, machines have played an essential role in human civilization. These remarkable metal bits placed uniquely make our work faster and simpler. Today, we're counting down the top 10 most extreme machines ever made. They might be extreme for anything, for example, speed, size, or complexity. So, let's get started and stay tuned till the end. Number 10, RoadPrinter RP Systems. Starting from a RoadPrinter, which is a basic but practical concept that enables employees to make brick layout drawings for automatically placed highways. It's less stressful for the builders and overall more efficient. A RoadPrinter brick paver allows you to have a stretch of road ranging in width from 1 to 6 meters all at once. This includes setting the margins so that your bricklayers won't have to do it by hand, which is very challenging. The RoadPrinter offers excellent output and quality while processing element paving in the most typical paving connections, both for repaving with old stones and for repaving with fresh stones. Number 9, CT718 Compost Turner Vermeer. On number 9, we have the Vermeer Compost Turner, which is used to compost. Turning the compost is recommended to expose newer dirt to the air. This equipment speeds up the operation with a whirling pair of tilling arms. The CT718 Compost Turner raises the bar in terms of efficiency, productivity, and convenience of use. New systems, an easy-to-read control screen, and side and rear view cameras have improved operator comfort and efficiency. In addition, the mainframe has a reduced machine height for easier transport. Number 8, BEDOMBOUW Cutter Soil Mix. A dirt cutter with 2 opposing rotating heads is being utilized on a building site. The muddy dirt is mashed up and transferred to the surface, where it will be used to prepare a hole for plumbing foundations or other buildings. After the hole is dug, an I-beam will be lowered to support the finished construction. Number 7, Cutter Wheel KERMOC. The KERMOC cutting wheel is featured in a variety of situations. This flexible machine may be used to construct the groundwork for a variety of tasks, ranging from underground pipes to road repairs. This instrument swiftly and effectively cuts through a wide range of materials. The SMW range is intended for use as a slot cutting attachment for excavators. It can cut narrow trenches quickly, especially for cable laying. The cutter wheel's reinforced mounting provides the strength required for cutting depths down to 1.000 millimeters. The sumping bracket maintains the weight of the attachment as the cut begins, and the wheel is gradually forced down to the necessary depth. When the appropriate depth is attained, the wheel is dragged along the cutting direction by moving the excavator's arm or gently pulling the excavator rearward. The sliced material is sent to the trench's side. Number 6, Rolba 500 Hardline equipment. This vehicle includes a huge and powerful snowblower on the front for rapid snow removal. This is especially beneficial when narrow routes such as ski resorts must be cleaned of snow for human movements. If you are enjoying this video so far, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Number 5, RF system. Next, we have a device used to replace railroad ties. Railroad ties are arches that run perpendicular to the rail and sustain the whole railroad. A specialized instrument that can cut into the rock, remove the old tie, and ultimately put the new one is required actually to plant them into the earth. Their sleeper changer features an adjustable depth and safe lifts via a load-holding valve. 2 hydraulically actuated grips hold the sleeper and remove it from the ballast bed. New sleepers are installed, and the blade can be used to replenish ballast. A load-holding valve on the gripping function guarantees a secure grasp even if the hydraulic pressure drops. Number 4, Reach Stacker LIEBHERR. The LIEBHERR Reach Stacker is next on our list. This equipment swiftly transports and handles cargo containers at a shipyard. It can readily reach the tops of the shipping container stacks or even behind the containers right in front of it, enabling clearance of these containers quickly and easily. It can transport these containers and offload them into truck trailers or railway beds across great distances. Number 3, Chip Spreader VIMPO. This equipment is used to put gravel on freshly laid tar for roadways. This gravel is supplied from the truck bed and dispersed at the front using a customized feeding mechanism, even though it is not a practice in every nation. In certain regions, this technology is used to restore roads. Number 2, bucket wheel digging TESMEC. The TESMEC bucket wheel digging machine is our second piece of machinery. The term accurately describes a device that consists of a wheel of bucket-like scoops that cut the soil and discharge it outdoors. This tool is useful for creating ditches quickly and precisely in soft to fairly hard soils and is available in a range of configurations. Number 1, T1 255 Terrain Leveler Vermeer. This heavy-duty equipment uses a modified tractor to cut into the earth and remove the top layer of dirt, leveling the landscape. To accomplish this, a jagged digging head is employed. The turbocharged Caterpillar C15 Acer Tier 3 or Tier 4 final engine and advanced electronics provide 403 kilowatts, making it the best surface leveler in its class. Vermeer Corporation significantly affects how vital work is done by designing, manufacturing, and supporting high-quality industrial and agricultural machinery. Have you seen any of these machines before? Comment below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos in the future. Don't forget to turn on the bell button so you get notified every time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching.